Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for random variable. Kindly refers to the question, let the probability density function of a continuous random variable x be defined as follow. So my suggestion is to represent the situation in a real number line. So here we have negative c, then c. We have the function x squared over 18. Other than that, we have 0. A. Show that c is equals to 3. As we all know, integrate from negative infinity until infinity for the function fx with respect to x is equals to 0 because they said it is continuous random variable x. So it refers to the situation, integrate negative c until c for the function x squared 1 over 18 respect to x which is equals to 0. Kindly integrate the situation where we have x to the power of 3 over 3, where we have multiply with the 18, 1 over 54 for the limit c, negative c equals to 1. Kindly substitute the situation. So 1 over 54 bracket, if we substitute c, we will have c to the power of 3 minus bracket negative c to the power of 3, where we have 1. 1 over 54 bracket c to the power of 3 minus, and then we have plus c to the power of 3, which is equals to 1. So 2c cubed over 54 equals to 1. So if we simplify the situation, and we will have c to the power of 3 over 27, which is equals to 1. Rewrite the situation. So where we have c to the power of 3, which is equals to 27, and c is equals to cube root of 27. So c is equals to 3. And we already shown the situation. So kindly substitute the value c. Kindly refers to b. Here we have three parts, a, b, and c. Refers to the situation, the question said, find the cumulative distribution function of x. So it means that what we have to do is to find the CDF. For the part a, where we have the domain t less than negative 3, where we have the equal sign. For the function, integrate from negative infinity until t, where we have the function 0 dx, and we have 0. So ft, which is equals to 0 for the part A. Next, for the part B, where we have the domain t greater than negative 3 less than 3, where we have the situation negative infinity until negative 3 for the function 0 dx, plus integrate from the negative 3 until t, where we have the function x squared over 18 respect to x. Kindly refers to this part. Similarly, it is equals to the same part, just that we have the different. Previously we have t, now we have negative 3. So we can rewrite the situation as a f negative 3 plus integrate the situation x to the power of 3 over 54, where we have the limit t negative 3. So refers to this part, as we all know, it is equals to 0. Continue. Substitute the situation. So we will have t to the power of 3 over 54. If we substitute negative 3, and we will have negative 54. So here we have negative bracket, negative, we have 27 over 54, which is equals to negative 1 over 2. So finally, the ft for the part B will be equals to t to the power of 3 over 54 plus 1 over 2. Next, for the part C, where we have the domain t greater equals to 3. So as usual, integrate negative infinity until negative 3 for the function 0 dx, plus we have integrate from negative 3 until 3 for the function x squared over 18 respect to x, plus integrate from the 3 until t for the function 0 dx. Kindly refers to this part, and we notice that it is the same for this part, just that in here we have t, now we have 3. So means that we can rewrite the situation f3 plus integrate this part, we will have 0. So means that substitute the 3 into the formula, where we have the situation 3 to the power of 3 over 54 plus 1 over 2. As we all know, here we have 1 over 2 plus with 1 over 2. So finally, we have the answer 1. So means that for this part, we have the situation ft which is equals to 1. So kindly rewrite the situation. We have the CDF or cumulative distribution function which is equals to, we have the first one which is 0, where we have the domain x is less than or equals to negative 3. Continue. X cubed over 54 plus with 1 over 2. We have the domain x is greater than negative 3 less than 3. Finally, we have 1 for the function x is greater or equals to 3. So here we have the cumulative distribution function of x. Kindly refers to C. Question asks us to find the probabilities that x which is greater or equals to 0 and less than or equals to 2. So in here, kindly make use of the CDF where we have f2 minus f0. So kindly substitute refers to the second situation 2, where we have 2 to the power of 3 over 54 plus with 1 over 2 minus the f0. So refers to the situation is still the same. We are using the second function. So 0 to the power of 3 over 54 plus with 1 over 2. So here we have 8 over 54 plus with 1 over 2 minus we have 1 over 2. So finally, we have 4 over 27 or 0.148. Next is to find the median. So in here, we have Fm which is equals to 0.5. So for this case, no need to test because we only have 0 and then the second function and 1. So very obvious, the m is located in between negative 3 until 3. So kindly substitute the situation. M to the power of 3 over 54 plus with 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. So m to the power of 3 over 54 which is equals to 0. Next, m to the power of 3 which is equals to 0. So m which is equals to 0 as well. So refers to the domain where we have negative 3 until 3. So means that m equals to 0. Where is the location for 0.5? So we can say m is the median. M equals to 0 is the median. So here we are, and thanks for watching.